anything. Are you having a good time? Like, what's your experience so far? One girl here said she was a little scared. I think you were a little bit nervous at one time. Just a little bit?
It's really great. It's really refreshing to take a break from our everyday life. Thank you so much,
True.
Steve.
Right here on Vessel Hope. Look at this. Fire in the sky. Some more sailors out there taking off. Let's take a break. Let's take a look over here. This open break area. Wow. And here's the Vessel Hope. Right here in Hawaii. We are now leaving Waikiki area. We have some friendly people from China, Switzerland, Germany, and New York City. All right. Hopefully we'll see some whales, dolphins. We're serving vegan cheese on a fish plate. Guys, loving it. Awesome, thanks for coming. We're gonna watch the sunset. We're gonna watch the fireworks. And you could go anywhere you feel like going on the boat. You can climb around. Mechanic, could you slide that doors forward? That gives, yeah, just pull it. It gives more people. She's eating salad,
Gross.
garlic.
You want to be by Ala Moana, jump on a boat. The fireworks.
Sailing.
We should go swim.
That's not right. I don't know what's wrong. That's security here.
There's some people in there.
Okay, there it goes. Okay, I get some calls coming in here. We're out in the, it's really big waves right now. It's taking a lot longer to get there, so I don't know if we're going to be there on time. Thank you, Shan. Here's my friend Flex. He's very healthy, and glad that you're with us, man. Thank you.
It's all
You're having
good.
fun? All good?
All good, yeah.
Okay, good. Are you having fun?
So we like to see her all the time.
The Manoas. That is
There's Steven over here. In the Koana.
Just play like Somewhere Over the Rainbow.
Yeah, do that one.
Yeah, I have a really familiar
You and me. Hand in hand. Sorry, I was jumping in there. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know it really, but I like the idea of the rainbow one. Yeah, do that one. Everybody loves that. I want to get upwind so I can. Would be a real trip out in the water without a logo.
Yeah, it's great here. You know, nice weather, blue skies, airplanes flying over our heads.
Are you having fun, Scott? What about you?
Hell yeah. Oh
Good
yeah.
time?
Last year I was
We're
working
having a
in.
good time. Good. Let's go up here and see whatever you do. Anything. Are you having a good time? Like, what's your experience so far? One girl here said she was a little scared. I think you were a little bit nervous at one time. Just a little bit?
It's really great. It's really refreshing to take a break from our everyday life. Thank you so much,
True.
Steve.
True.
So refreshing.
That's what you do. Yeah.
You're having a good time.
Yeah.
How's your experience so far?
Good, really good. A little scary.
Scary.
It was a little scary, but it looked good. We're
Sorry
chilling.
about that.
No, I mean, it's not your fault.
You hungry or anything? No snacks? You got some cookies?
I think it's okay.
You're not sick? I got some pills that keep you from being sick.
All like with this.
Yeah,
No.
exactly. Motion sickness. Cookies? Okay, I'll get you some cookies. Here you go, Christmas cookies. Yeah, these are all new.
Oh, Steve.
Well, okay, so we sailed back to the channel on the way out. Turn around over here into the lagoon. Watch the kite surfers sunbathing. We're doing bird feeding today. Sailing. That's really cool. Airplanes flying over. Look at this. Over here, there's kites. Yeah. Today we have. Wow, we have nature art going on. This is really cool. Little tornado, 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 tornado. Tornado, guys. Went right by us. All right, where's your wife at? Down there.
Does it feel good?
Got a sailboat going by us. Got people swimming in the water. It's in neutral. We're seeing. That's good. We're over this way. Catch up. Okay, we're sailing. Jump in and swim while we're sailing in the channel. Go ahead. You got a mask on. Go, go. We're sailing in the channel. Let's get this down. local guy. What side of the island?
From the North Shore.
North Shore. Some video here, guys. Thank you.
Hey,
Okay, hop on, Steven. So we got 25 people.
Co-pilot? Co-captain? Sorry. Okay. No worries. Shaka, everyone.